Hello everyone, really quick update for you. I finished the sun's out and it's really bright today and the cat's on the windowsill so I can't shut the blind. Right, the bird is done, bird journal, couldn't think of the word. Stuck a little guardian angel on there. So I covered my fluff up with a bit of lace there. Found this lovely sage fabric, so I just tore some bits to make the closure. Love that fabric. Slowly getting through my stack of fabric out of those fabric book things. Yeah, so it's all stitched in. I'll go back here a bit. I did manage to fluff up the stitching. I missed this bit, so I've had to go back through and just put a simple tie in. I'll show you that. It's okay. It's worked all right, actually. Sorry. Yeah, so you've seen all these. So you've got, that's the middle. So I had to add a little bit in there because when I checked, and I should have checked before I'd done it, I'd only caught this on one piece, which was no good. It was slopping in and out, so it's nice and secure now. I think I've shown you all this actually, so I'm not going to take forever to go through. Yeah, I think that's everything I've shown you anyway. So I stitched the frill on the bottom there, and the mess up was about here. So I've just done a simple double tie through there, and then I found these little silver birds. So I put some danglies on. And as I say, the fabric has got daisies on it, which is kind of matches in with the blue. So very happy, all done. I'll just do a really quick update. I've got my eldest and my middle daughter coming over for Sunday roast, so they're not here yet, but they soon will be, starving hungry with their children. So this is the ones I showed you yesterday, or the previous video, that I hadn't done any stitching on. They're now refusing to come apart. These two arrived, so do this quickly as I can. I put lace on the top as a pull tab. It's a big journaling card. That'll be great. 2 seconds. Yeah, come on in. I'm just videoing. I'm just videoing. Hang on. Comes the granddaughter. I'll make this really quick. I'm doing a video. Whoa, I'm doing a video. No faces on screen, please. Out you go. Good girl. 2 seconds and I'll be with you. Just that one there. Bit of lace on the bottom. Sorry, Bedlam's descended. And that one there. As I say, these are all journaling cards, or, you know, bits and bobs. I'll end it there because I've now got to go and do my grandma duties. Thank you very much. Bye.